What do we got here? Got a nice little snack packs here going on. You want a little nice little snack. Got 48 packs, Planters peanuts. You want your little quick mac and cheese. Nice little 18 packs mac and cheese. Got some Snyder's Pretzels, 36 packs. Got this for around 10 bucks. Got those for right around $8. This here, I think it's right around $7, $8. So a pretty good deal. Nice little snacks. All good stuff. All shipped to your door from Amazon. The peanuts comes in 2 boxes. Says there are 24 per box. Get 2 boxes in there. There's your little packs. Got a fair amount in there for just a little snack. You don't need 400 or 500 to eat on. Got a nice handful. There's a fair amount in there. Got a fair amount in there. Nice little handful. Wow, extremely fresh. Extremely fresh. Very good. Not over salted. Just right. Yeah, that was really good. There's the Snyder's mini pretzels. Nice, nice packaged. Very well packaged. No damage. Nothing whatsoever. I don't ever really have nothing damaged from Amazon myself. I might have 1 or 2 little things barely have a little crunch, but nothing major. There you go. Got a nice, nice fair amount in here. There you go, your little mini pretzels. Wow, that's really good. Really good, really soft. It's a nice little crunch, nice salt, not overly done. That's very good. Very, very good. 36 bags for about $10. Can't beat that. There you go. There's your snacks.